Chef Buck here, and today we're going to cook up a true down-home, old-timey country salad made with saltine crackers. Never heard of this here until Cameron Girl's mother made it. She was saying that her grandmother used to make it for her, and her mother, so it's been around for a long time. So easy to make. Just take a sleeve of crackers, then you just want to smash them up by hand. You don't need all the crackers, so if somebody wants to eat one, that's fine.
Don't want to smash them too much.
Nice chunky pieces like this here. You don't want it to be super duper fine. And now we're just going to add the rest of our ingredients in there. So let's throw our onion in there. 1 boiled egg. You could do 2, depending on how much you like eggs. And I'm just going to cut this up into some little chunky chunk pieces. Here, I like using cherry tomatoes. It seems like cherry tomatoes have more flavor than these bigger tomatoes nowadays. But I don't have enough, I don't think. So I'll just do these.
Plus there's more moisture in these big ones, and moisture with saltines.
Yeah, but I don't like it too moist. I like it a little bit dry, but the mayonnaise is really going to make it wet. So just give your tomato a rough chop.
You could just do 1.
You think so? I like the tomato in it. You just want me to put half of it in here?
No, it's okay. It's just
sure?
It really doesn't.
Well, here
last.
I'll just set half of that aside.
Well, what you gonna do? You can't put a tomato in the fridge and then expect
Well,
to eat it.
We'll just eat it like that. I'll just set it aside though, and we'll see if we want to put it into the salad. Now we'll throw this in here. Alrighty, now I got about a cup of mayonnaise here. You can adjust the mayonnaise to taste. Now we just mix it up.
Salt and pepper.
You want to do that to taste. Add it at the end. You know, give it a taste test actually before you even add the salt. Because I'm using saltines, and these are the regular salted saltines. We do have some fresh cracked pepper in the world's ugliest pepper thingamabob. But did your mother steal this from a casino? Alright, so throw a little bit of pepper on there. Look at that. Doesn't that look dumb? I mean, saltine crackers, mayonnaise, tomato, green onions, just like
an egg.
Throw that in a bowl. And this is so good right now.
All right, let's see if you did it proud. Because it's such a difficult recipe. It is ridiculous how good those ingredients are.
There you have it. Down home country cracker salad. It's ridiculous. And definitely try it. Go to myfoodchannel.com. You can print all the recipes over there. And we'll see you in the future.